6 feet, buddy. 6 feet. Now, I tell you, all these people who say they believe in the quarantine business, okay, they're the ones who will definitely be rubbing on you the most. I tell you, these drones, I guess, don't really care about what they say. You can see every single person out there covered with rubber gloves, covered with masks, hats, and everything. And I tell you, they're the ones who are going to rub on you first and talk and get straight in your face, maybe even scream, wave their hands around. When I'm just minding my own business, I tell you, they want to have a long conversation. But you know what? Those masks, guess what about those masks? They collect more virus, 100 times more virus than anything. You know, very large particles will be blocked. But what happens is it breeds these really tiny, tiny, tiny particles, okay? We're talking about even nanoparticles they don't realize are so involved with viruses. Atomic level as well. These things, they say you need 25 feet, okay? Anyone who talked, every scientist who said 6 foot would have any validity, they said, well, the theory is 25 feet, okay? So I'm about ready to start a new rule here. I think everybody should get themselves a bullwhip. I think everybody should be protecting themselves against the idiots out there, okay? 6 foot, buddy, 6 feet, you know? And we have a right to protect ourselves. So this is from the old comic here, Cowboy Wilson. I'm just showing you this because I thought it was quite an interesting piece here. I posted it up on Facebook. It's time to buy a whip and protect yourself from idiots. They drones say they believe in the COVID quarantine, but never follow the 6 foot rule. Seems those ones love to rub on me the most. I'm bringing a 9-foot bullwhip when I go out. Keep 8-foot distance or get whipped. That's what I had to share for you today. I hope that's been a blessing to you. Take care and God bless. Pretty soon it's going to be Sabbath, and now we're going to have to go back to only that neighborly brotherly love, which can never be misinterpreted. For now, I believe that this is brotherly love. We should be also, as it says, occupy till he comes. You can find more about that on orthodoxchurch.nl. You can search our website, and you can find everything about occupy till I come. And the church, the ecclesia, being in a greater force than it has ever been. I tell you, it's time now to awake out of sleep if it's ever been. You'll find a great treasure trove of articles and help aids for all the things that protect ourselves. Most of all, we know UV light protects people from coronavirus. And I tell you what, man, you should look into it because UV light also has a higher spectrum of UV invisible light, as most UV is invisible. And guess what? At the morning prayer time and at the sunrise, then the sunset, okay, you got the most UV light that kills viruses at any time of any year, any moment in your life. Is going to be at that prayer time, but the only time you're going to absorb it and use it with your pineal glands, your heart, your whole system is do like the birds do. The birds sound so thankful during that sunrise time, and they are so thankful at the sunrise, at the sunset. And guess what? Then your body will store for 24 to 48 hours all of this UV light, this ultraviolet purple light, and this light that's above the visible spectrum that's gonna kill any virus as soon as your heart goes back to that pure love. And guess what? That's the best virus protection you can ever find. And you know what? You can go onto our resources and get help aids with the kingdom prayers. We're all to pray every day. This day's daily bread, it says. So if you pray together with us, there's power in agreement. So I hope you'll pray with us those psalms as we pray daily, the same psalms together in unison at orthodoxchurch.nl. We'll look forward to having you there. If you have any questions about this or the timings of the highest UV light absorption moments, you can contact us at the OCC Diaconate. You can find our email addresses at orthodoxchurch.nl. Take care and God bless you.